Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And the other day, I had a doll delivered from Target, and we got a hold of them right away because there was a piece missing. Shoes were missing. I think it was shoes. And so we contacted them right away. They said, keep the doll, we'll mail you another one. Well, this came. I'm assuming the doll, look at this. It's like this was on the truck this way. Something came flying down and skid all the way down the front of that. So let's see what we get inside. I need boxes. We have outbuildings, and I want to cover some of the barn cracks. We have a 100-year-old barn, and I want to cover some of the cracks for the horses. Yes, she is here. It was her boots that was missing. Thank you very much, Darren. So I have one I could take out of the box with these parts, but like I said, the boots are missing. So Lyric's boots have been replaced. Thank you, Target. Very kind.
And quickly.
Yeah, that was very quickly. Now this, Darren bought for me as a surprise. He said for being patient with him. Oh, thank you. This is a doll I had wanted. Really, the only one I really wanted out of this series. And here is the part for the light to be fixed. Let me move these. Oh, she's beautiful. I know a lot of you have her already. I did not. I love her makeup. I love her hair. Oh, I love her clothes and shoes. Many of you don't know, it always comes back to Blythe. Original Blythe dolls came with orange shoes. Well, some of them did. Oh, she's gorgeous. What I don't like is in this series, they painted on the dolls. Yes, I get it, henna and all, I get it, but I don't like it. What I really don't like are bandages across the nose and the little painted on hair, baby hair pieces. I just don't. Gorgeous doll, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Darren's going to be up changing the light switch, and subscribe.